Today, I'll brief you about the implants used in orthopedic surgery. We can divide them broadly into three categories. First group are the ones which are used to fix your fractures whenever you suffer a traffic accident or a fall and you break any of your bones. Those are the implants which are used to fix your bone. They are usually plates, screws, or what we call as interlocking nails. The second group of implants are the ones which are used to treat your sports injuries, like you suffer ACL tear or a shoulder dislocation or any of the ligament meniscal tear. These are usually cables or wires, and they are often come with suture anchors. They can be biodegradable or metallic. And the last group of implants which you routinely use are the ones which replace part of your joint, that is the hip replacement surgeries and knee replacement surgeries. They are called as prostheses. This is about the range of implants which you routinely use in orthopedics. If you want to know more about the available orthopedic implants at your service, do visit us at RAK Hospital. Thank you.